da 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 da.
Roasted Peep.
I'm about to get this one on fire.
Get him in the fire.
I'm trying to get him in the fire. Come on, catch on fire. You
There's
roasted behemoth.
There's something very wrong about this.
I know, right? Look at the chocolate just melting.
Look at it melting into the fire. These are the special kind of Peeps because they have melted chocolate on the bottom. Oh, he's smoldering. Oh, he's getting hot. Whoa!
Oh, yeah! Woo!
Oh, my God.
I'm smoldering. I'm a roasted pig.
Please don't do that. I can't keep him focused.
I'm a roasted pig.
Let me see him bring him this way. Close, slowly. Oh, my God. He's on fire.
I'm a roasted pig.
Okay, put him in.
Are there any other old Peeps?
No.
Crap.
That's it. This is the end of the Easter Peeps.
There it goes. There it goes.
Oh,
There it
oh no.
goes.
Oh no.
There it goes. Just devour.
Oh, he's falling. Oh, he's in. I'm melting.
I'm melting.
And it's really bizarre how they melt so fast. All of a sudden, he's gone.
Oh yeah.
You have more of his body on your fork.
I'm gonna devour him.
Oh, funny. All right, enough.